Hey everyone, do you want to learn the quickest and easiest way to delete bookmarks on Safari for your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to delete individual or multiple bookmarks, quickly and easily. By the end, you'll be browsing the web without any unwanted bookmarks cluttering your Safari browser. Let's get started. First, open up the Safari browser. At the bottom of the screen, tap the book icon. It looks like an open book. Now you'll see 3 tabs: Bookmarks, Reading List, and History. Tap on Bookmarks. To delete a bookmark, tap and hold the one you want to remove. A menu will pop up. Just tap Delete, and it's gone. If you go into the Favorites section, you'll see more bookmarks. Again, just tap and hold, then hit Delete when the menu appears. Want to delete multiple bookmarks? Tap Edit in the bottom right corner. Then tap the minus quotes icon next to each bookmark you want to delete. Hit Delete, and that's it. And that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.